Hi companions and tutor, my name is Kevin Miguel Díaz Solarte. In this video I am going to pronounce the consonant sound. Okay? Pet. For example, my pet is very restless. Find. For example, we must find the map. Tea. For example, the tea is very delicious. Think. For example, I am going to think about you. Church. For example, let's go to church. Sun. For example, the sun is bright. Crash. For example, there was a crash near the park. Cat. For example, the cat eats the mice. Hat. For example, I will put my hat on. Bat. For example, the dog is bad. Voice. For example, I am losing my voice. Dance. For example, the young man is going to dance in the theater. This. For example, this car is owned by Juan. Just. For example, just this once I forgive you. Zoo. Miguel is at the zoo. Pleasure. It is a pleasure to serve you. Give. For example, I will give my information to enter the stadium. Man. For example, the man is happy. Noise. For example, my neighbor makes a lot of noise. Sing. For example, the girl sings very beautifully. Red. For example, my jeans is red. Leg. For example, my leg hurts. Wet. For example, my shirt is wet. Yellow. For example, the color is yellow.